talk about whether you choose to use the client or you choose to use the account in your browser. You can use either one in order to create whiteboards to interact on your Zoom meeting or webinar. What you'll need to do if you're inside of the client is to click this area that says Whiteboards. You can then create a new whiteboard here in this area. You can choose a template that you want to use. The one thing you can do is you can choose to skip this when you're creating new boards. You can X out of the templates. And what you'll see is a dialog box where you can then go to a blank template that you can start using for the creation of your whiteboard. And for example, if you choose to put in a text element, you can put it in here. And of course, you can use any of the content creation elements inside of your area. What you'll want to do is you'll want to give your whiteboard a name. Once you've done that, your whiteboard will then be available to you when you create a meeting or a webinar. We are now inside of the Zoom meeting room. And if you look to the bottom, you're going to see an element for your whiteboard. We can click on that whiteboard. We can then choose to have existing whiteboards. This will open up to the whiteboards that we have available. We can then make the whiteboard available that we just chose. In this case, we're going to choose to open it up for presentation. When we have completed using the whiteboard, we can click Close Whiteboard. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.